Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Gemini image or photo upload problem in Gemini app. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap on Gemini app. Go to Apps Info. Tap on Storage. Click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data on Gemini app. Step 3. Open Play Store. Click on Search. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini app latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Gemini app. Click on plus icon. Click on Gallery. Select any picture. Tap on Add. You can follow all of the steps to fix Gemini image or photo upload problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.